Subject.
But 39, my lord, thought nurses who have been selected and subsequently when they change the rules, they want to apply the new rules, not retrospectively, that rule. Not. We are already in the select list. Let the appointment be given subject to outcome.
Not actually when you're
3rd February, order, my lord. 3rd February,
Yes.
26 order, my lord.
No, we have succeeded before single judge and the division bench. Yes.
Lord, we had tried because your lordships had asked us to see whether a resolution is possible.
Lord, your lordship
We
had
did.
said on 2nd February that everybody should be accommodated.
Yes.
Yes,
So
but
we
We have tried.
but my lord, everybody started
That's
saying
correct.
we only said that we will hear the matter.
Yes.
That's
yes.
correct. Your lordships had
Here-
said that your
My
lordships.
lords, the difficulty.
If your lordships are, if your
That was
lordships.
the scene in which we said that we will only have to hear.
That's right.
Because nothing else will happen.
Actually, my lord, we are
Everybody was talking, everybody was shouting. So we thought, in fact, we have said that not before us.
No, please.
My lords, we said that order.
No, Lord, please don't say that.
no.
My lords have not said this. My lords,
Lord, I'll
My-
persuade all my friends to keep their mouths
Yes,
shut.
it has to be heard. Your lordship may hear it today.
Exactly,
Or
exactly.
your lordship
Has to
may
be
hear
heard.
it on the opening of
Has to be
state.
heard.
We are
But,
ready to go on.
only that.
When shall we list it?
Can we? I was praying last time.
Anytime in
The
July or
lordships
August.
have said, please don't fill up because we have succeeded in 2 courts below. They shouldn't be appointing and filling up.
There is statutory amendments after
What do you
this.
say, what stage is that?
Yes,
You're
there
asking
is.
him. No, where is, yeah, last time also you were confused. Yes, what's the status quo? Let the status quo already we passed.
It's already status quo,
my
is what I'm
lords,
telling
my
you.
lords,
You already passed it.
Very well.
my lords, the difficulty is that my lords, the difficulty is pursuant to the interim orders passed by this court.
After vacation.
My lords,
Very
my lords, yes.
My lords, item 63 is connected. Your lordships may issue notice in that because
Notice,
you are
notice and post along.
And
Sometime in July, your
My lord, just let it be tagged, my lord. These are people, we do not know who they are.
we are
we are already a party in this.
we are parties in this.
We are only saying post along with that.
Okay.
Yes.
Your lordships may issue notice, my lords, it can be answered because your lordship's order has been misinterpreted and that's what compelled this petition.
Lord, would your
My
lordships consider there are at least 3 or 4
खेल शुरू होने के बाद खेल के नियम नहीं बदले जा सकते। रूल्स ऑफ द गेम कैन नॉट बी चेंज वंस द गेम हैज स्टार्टेड। अगर नियमावली 2018 की जीत होती है तो क्या जो ज्वाइन किए हुए हैं अभी एनएम उनको क्या होगा? फ्रेंड्स, कानून रूप से देखा जाए तो दोनों पक्षों के पास अपने मजबूत तर्क है। अगर कोर्ट रूल्स ऑफ द गेम्स के सिद्धांत पर अड़ा रहता है जैसे कि पटना हाई कोर्ट ने किया तो 2018 नियमावली की जीत तय है और बहाली मेरिट लिस्ट के आधार पर होगी। लेकिन अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सरकार के नीतिगत फैसले यानी कि पॉलिसी डिसीजन और स्वास्थ्य व्यवस्था में क्वालिटी को प्राथमिकता दी तो 2023 नियमावली के तहत परीक्षा के रिजल्ट को हरी झंडी मिल सकती है। हालांकि एक तीसरा रास्ता भी निकल सकता है जिसे हम बीच का रास्ता यानी कि मानवीय दृष्टिकोण कह सकते हैं। कोर्ट सरकार को कोई ऐसा निर्देश दे सकता है जिससे परीक्षा पास करने वाले सालों से सेवा दे रहे संविदा कर्मियों दोनों का अहित न हो, लेकिन इसकी संभावना कोर्ट के विवेक पर निर्भर करता है। फ्रेंड्स, दिल थाम कर बैठिए। 26 मई या जो अगली तारीख है होने वाली अंतिम घोषणा या जजमेंट की कॉपी आते ही सब कुछ पूरी तरह साफ हो जाएगा। हमारी सहानुभूति और शुभकामनाएं बिहार की हर उस बेटी, हर उस एनएम बहन के साथ जिन्होंने रात दिन एक करके इस भर्ती के लिए मेहनत की है। आपके इस पर क्या राय है? आपको क्या लगता है सुप्रीम कोर्ट से किसके पक्ष में फैसला आना चाहिए? अपनी राय नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर साझा करें। कमेंट में गरिमा बनाए रखें क्योंकि आप सभी होने वाले स्वास्थ्य कर्मी हैं। वीडियो को लाइक करें, अपने सभी एनएम व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से इसे शेयर करें और सही और निष्पक्ष खबरों के लिए आपके अपने चैनल मेमोरी बूस्टर क्लासेस रन बाय जीएस को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं अगले बड़ी अपडेट के साथ, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।